Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gulf Vibes. Friends, I am Sujit Singh and in today's video I am going to talk about some updates on Aetraz app from Ministry of Public Health. So friends, this update is from Government Health Communication Center from Ministry of Public Health. They said that now for Aetraz app issues, or if you have any inquiry about Aetraz app, or if you have any feedback for Aetraz app, or if you have any issue related to status, I mean that yellow status, green status and red status for the quarantine, or for all that status, and if you have any other health service related issues, then all these issues you can report to Government Health Communication Center through one link they have provided. This link is new, they have provided. I have given this link into my comment box also, and now in my screen I will show you how you can go to that link and how you can send your feedback to Government Health Communication Center. So I have given that link into my description box also. If you will click that link, it will take you to this screen on the Ministry of Public Health website, and on Government Health Communication Center tab. So here you can see GHCC Government Health Communication Center. Then here is the option to add your case or add your inquiry or whatever. So here you will fill your full name, then nationality, then type of residence, whether you are a citizen or resident or a visitor. Then you have to add here Qatar ID number, then country of residence, then health card, but it's not mandatory. Then you have to write here mobile number, then you have to enter here email address, and you have to choose this related organization also. It means this query or this feedback or whatever you are going to submit here, this is for whom, yani for HMC, for Ministry of Public Health or Primary Health Care Corporation, or for whom. And here you can select a message on, yani this is appreciation or a complaint or an inquiry or notes or other. You can select from here the appropriate option what you are going to do, and then you can type here your message, whatever is your query or complaint or whatever. Then here is one option to attach picture for that query or whatever. So suppose you have any issue with your Aetraz app status, yani it must be green but it's not green right now. So like that you can have a snapshot on your of your screen, and you can attach that screenshot here, and you can submit with this submit button. And if you have any update for any registered case, then you will go here, then you will same fill the details and you will update the case. So that's all about the new update for the Aetraz app for submitting query, questions and other related issues. So friends, I think now you have understood how you can send feedback or your queries to Government Health Communication Center. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and so friends, I think now you have understood how you can send feedback or your queries or any issues related to. So friends, I think now you have understood how you can send feedback or your queries or any issues related to status for the Etraz app to Government Health Communication Center. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and be with me in future for latest update and other news and related informations for GCC and Qatar. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.